Hey there, how are you guys doing? I welcome you all back to the channel, and basically I just wanted to apologize that I'm not being very regular this time. थोड़ा busy चल रहा है schedule. So what I'm going to today show you is it's of Nova. It's a crimper. Can you see? It's a crimper. And I have tried crimping, like literally, but the thing is, the problem is that it's not sticking. First is this, and this another thing is this one. I though use the biggest one. Okay, so shall we begin? As you can see, I have tried crimping my hair, and you will be able to see there are crimps. There are crimps because I really tried just a few minutes ago. The thing is that it's not sticking properly, not being able to make it long stay. So I don't know how. Any users of crimper, please let me know in the comment section, please. So today I'm going to show you. I'm just going to get back with detangling CZ because I have crimped and I'm facing some problems. Detangling them, some later half is okay. Okay, now I'm taking this band and I'm putting it right here. Okay, I'm gonna tease my hair. Yeah, I'm going to swirl it. Got these bobby pins, and I'm gonna do this. Another one. Yep, and it's done. All we gotta do is like this. See, it's not visible anymore. And with this rest of the hair, it's crimped again. I'm saying, see, it's crimped. I have fine hair, but I'm gonna tease it. I got some fine hair. Again, we're gonna tease it, and it's crimped. I told you. See. It's crimped. Now we're gonna take it backwards and detangle it all. Let me just detangle it. It's detangled highly. Now we're gonna make it a pony, high pony, but in a different manner. It's tight, right? But we will be making another pony. I'm bending down. Now check this. It's tight. We're gonna roll it. And here, this is the area. Here we are going to put one bobby pin, here we are going to put one bobby pin. So that's the indication. Voila, it's done. So if you have liked this video genuinely, please like it, subscribe to the channel and share it. I'll see you very soon next time. Bye.